Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I want to talk to you about a product that you may be familiar with, but now it's in a whole new format. We have had what's called the Aquabee Sketchbook forever, for as long as I've been around and stuff like that, and it is fantastic. I've had several of these. They hold up great. They take almost any media. So they will deal with water media. You can do pen and ink on them. You can do marker comps. For instance, here I've got a pencil drawing in here, and then I got a marker drawing in here with some pen and ink, but you can use light washes on Aquabee. You can do all kinds of stuff. Now, we've had these for eons, but now Aquabee has come out with this same paper that's in the sketchbooks in a sheet paper format, and now we have them in 5, 10, and 25 pack sheets. You know, like 140-pound cold press, 4 decal edges, acid free, all that kind of great stuff, and Aquabee. So it's fun, it's versatile, it's reasonably priced. If you haven't tried Aquabee, you definitely should. It's great in all different kinds of media, super versatile, so it's a great studio paper to have around when you're trying out ideas. Make sure to check into some Aquabee in either the sketchbook format or now available in sheet packs. Enjoy!